Okay, offer and pricing. So better offers beat better marketing. And I said earlier that the number one most important thing when you come to selling online is your product. Your product needs to be solid. After that, if you are trying to scale through paid media more efficiently and you're a small to medium sized brand, offer is everything. Offer is so, so important. And we put pricing into that as well, because not as much people as you would believe do any type of price testing. We find it consistently yields results. So we'll do it for brands. A strong offer reduces purchase hesitation. It incentivizes people to buy, of course. And obviously doing that price test can actually have huge results as well. We'll show you them in this playbook. So this is a price test that we recently ran for a brand. And after reviewing survey data, again, looking back into that data, it's still so important. Highlighting strong price sensitivity, we expanded the original 159 versus 149 pricing test to also include a 139 and a 169. So we're constantly optimizing, and the 139 typically does, and I've seen this play out differently. I have seen this where a higher price point can actually generate you more revenue, but typically it will be that lowering price point. And then it's all about, are you still profitable at that price point? Because here, for example, over nearly $100,000 monthly increase in revenue. Even though people are buying less, they're converting more. So when you do that revenue per session, you're actually making way more money. So price testing is again underutilized in post-click and CRO. 100,000% do it. Test different price points. Taste cheaper, higher, lower. When it comes to this as well, you can also do multi-faceted tests with offer testing. So you can do like gift with purchase at a cheaper price, or higher price without gift for purchase. So there's loads of combinations you can run, but we've seen some incredible uplifts just from testing that price. Offer testing, again, now this is one that everyone should be doing, and like I say, small to medium sized brands online who want to unlock paid media growth, your offer is everything. Finding that perfect offer is everything. Let the data do the work to come up with the hypothesis and the ideas around that offer. But you need to be constantly testing multiple different offers. Okay, now that might be build a bundle pages, that might be gift with purchase, that might be BOGO, buy one get one free, that might be a discount. But we don't typically like to discount because if you're constantly discounting, it's not an effective mechanism to scale. That might be something like this, like an order bump on the PDP itself. So to Sauvage, a client of ours, we worked with a sunglass brand. They were selling single SKU sunglasses. They were relying on people to click through to different collections and different product pages to add more to the cart. But it was an obvious thing to us. We surveyed a lot of their customers. A lot of them said that they needed more than one pair of glasses because, as you know, I'm sure we're all guilty of this. I have one in the car, I have one in the office, I have one at home. And you need multiple pairs of sunglasses. Now, they're not a high ticket pair of sunglasses. We're not talking Gucci or whatever, £1,000 glasses. So what we did is we put this 3-pack bundle call out just below the add to cart on their PDP. Once clicked, it brought up a beautiful modal where they could select their 3 colors. So they still had that flexibility around. They didn't have to buy 3 of the same. And as you can see, revenue per session, AOV, everything jumped up as a result, and enabled these guys to scale better on paid media. And these are the things you need to constantly be doing. Okay. This is one of my favorite ever tests. I mean, as I said, I can geek out about this stuff for every single hour of every single day. I have done for the last 13 years. I'm obsessed with this, but this test stood out to me because I think most brands can run this test affordably. Okay. So this is the Cooking Guild. Again, the guys who sell those amazing knives. And, excuse me, we ran this test coming up to the spring and summer period. So it was very seasonal. It was around people who are going to be buying knives to cut their meat for barbecues. And what we did is we asked the brand to create a very basic ebook. So digitally delivered, no extra margin concerns, didn't cost them anything. It was delivered via email after purchase, probably cost them £200-300 to create. And it was a top 10 summer barbecue recipe book. But the perceived value of the offer for when people were purchasing a set of knives was that much better, because they got this amazing little book that was seasonal, and I can imagine now getting my knives and cooking on my barbecue, and you're going to show me the best recipes. You know, anyone can do this. This can be adapted to a lot of brands, and we run this now for a lot of brands with some great results. So we bundled a free, highly relevant ebook, instantly boosting that perceived value. The offer was so much now better, more attractive, and, you know, an extra 68 grand in monthly incremental revenue just from a free ebook.